are going to decorate some sugar cookies for Christmas. We're working on a really basic sugar cookie recipe right now. Sophie's stirring up the icing, trying to make sure that we get it nice and smooth.
Yeah, and this is stuck in here.
Yeah, we gotta just keep stirring, girlfriend. I will link this recipe below, and we're just trying to mix this up slowly so we get a nice smooth consistency.
We're just decorating the cookies for me.
For you?
Yeah, and also my mama.
And also your mama.
See, look at my bracelet, guys.
Which cookie are you most excited to decorate?
The girl one.
The gingerbread lady?
Yeah, the gingerbread lady.
Alright guys, so this is looking better now. I was worried for a minute. So I bought these really cool bottles at Michael's. They have a super fine tip.
Yeah, and I'm gonna hold it for
and
a minute.
I think this is really gonna be way less messy than when we use pastry bags, because with a little one, that's just a disaster waiting to happen. Hey, how old are you?
4.
When's your birthday?
December 11th.
How old are you gonna be?
4.
Yes. We put all of our frosting in these little individual bottles.
Yeah.
I tried to put the white frosting in and then add the food coloring and mix this up. You can see it wasn't my best idea. So then I took a bowl and pre-mixed and then put it in, and it is perfect. Tried to make black. Don't know what colors to mix to make black. So we have a purple one, but that's okay because we have stockings to decorate. Sophie has a little gingerbread girl. I made trees, candy canes. And one little tip that I've learned in the past baking with kids is just to put the things on a baking sheet, and that way when they make a mess and they add sprinkles and stuff, it just doesn't go floating all over the kitchen. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna start off trying for a tree. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys. These bottles are amazing. It's such a fine tip.
Yeah, because I can do it already. Because I can squeeze really hard like glue.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Let's see what we mix. So, come on. Let's see what the mix. What's in here? Okay.
Oh, what are you doing? So we're having some trouble with our consistency. I should not have added water. It made some of them way too runny. So at this point, we're kind of just playing around since we have the icing. We don't really care that they look too pretty. Although it would be nice if they did.
We wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
So I'm currently trying to salvage the green frosting, and I just added a bunch more powdered sugar to see if we can't fix the situation, because it was really, really liquidy. I'm actually gonna take it, and I'm going to just lay that cookie in there, pull this cookie back out. What do you think? You think it's gonna be good, or do you think it's gonna be bad?
Looks good.
Not too shabby. Oh, it's dripping.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna let that dry for a second.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
So what do you think?
I love it a lot.
Which one is your favorite one?
The Christmas tree.
Show me. Point to it. Let me see. That one's your favorite?
Yeah.
You think more sprinkles fit on there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so the cookies taste really good. They look terrible, but that's okay because we had fun. I'm going to link both of the recipes that I used down below because, like I said, it tastes awesome, and you just have to do a better job with the frosting than I did. I've never used these bottles before, and I added too much water, so it was my own mistake. But dipping them is actually working really well now, so we're just gonna keep decorating, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
See you later on Tuesday.
What?
Tuesday.
See you later on Tuesday.